So this is the first in what I hope will be a series of screencasts and blog posts leading up to the Apps for SEPTA civic hacking event that is taking place in Philadelphia on October 8th and 9th. And what I'm going to do here in the next few minutes is walk you through one sample application that uses a brand new API that was just developed by the good folks over at SEPTA and prepared for this event specifically. So real quickly, if you go to appsforsepta.org, you'll see the website for this event, and hopefully it will be filling up with blog posts between now and the dates for the event. There's a link here for data and APIs, and if you click on it, it will have a list of currently available data and APIs for SEPTA that can be used during this civic hacking event and even after it. So the API that I'm going to show you right now was just released by SEPTA. There's a link on this page for the SEPTA Dev Google group, and if you go to it, you'll see, first of all, this is a really great group to be a part of. Lots of good members, good discussion, and if you're going to hack SEPTA apps, this is where you want to hang out. So there's a thread in here on the next to arrive API, which is a real simple REST API that when you give it the location of a station you're leaving from and the station name for the station where you're going to, it will give you in a really nice JSON format the train schedule for the next 4 trains. So I've gone ahead and I've already set that up for a fairly common route in our house. This is a route my wife actually takes quite often from Wilmington to the University City station. The Google group thread has the list of all of the stations that are available to be used with this API. What I wanted to do, since I'm principally a phone developer, what I wanted to do was I wanted to create a speech recognition grammar so that someone could build a voice application and speak out the names of the stations that they wanted to go from and to, and be able to use an ordinary telephone to get the information on the next train to leave from their station. So I've gone ahead and done that, and I've actually put it out in a GitHub repo that I'll link to from this blog post. But it's a fully functioning standard speech recognition grammar that can be used with any platform that supports the SRGS format. So really any commercial or open source platform, and there are dozens of them that will support this. What I've done is, just to make things really simple, I've set up a Tropo application. Tropo is the one of the platforms that's supported by the company that I work for, Voxio Labs, and I've created a very simple PHP script also in this GitHub repo that I'll just run through really quickly. This is no great shakes. I just kind of wanted to put something together really quickly that uses this speech grammar and just to run a quick demo. So I'm going to do that now, and I will show you the app and how it works.
Welcome to the SEPTA Next to Arrive demo. Say the name of the stop you are leaving from.
Wilmington.
Say the name of the stop you are going to.
University City.
Train 9234, leaving from Wilmington at 10:47 a.m., arriving at University City at 11:32 a.m., currently running on time. Train 9238, leaving from Wilmington at 12:45 p.m., arriving at University City at 1:30 p.m., currently running on time. Train 9242, leaving from Wilmington at 2:45 p.m., arriving at University City at 3:30 p.m., currently running on time. Train 252, leaving from Wilmington at 4:44 p.m., arriving at University City at 5:32 p.m., currently running on time. Goodbye.
So that's a pretty simple application, but you can see how the simplicity of this API that the folks at SEPTA have put out there, along with the power of this speech grammar, opens up a whole new avenue for development. It really enhances the audience for this information, and even makes it available for folks that want to use speech recognition while they're driving in their car, or they may be on the way to the train station and want to check the time for the next departure. So that's it. This is all going to be on GitHub for folks to use in the Apps for SEPTA civic hacking event, and there's more good stuff to come, so keep an eye out.